Water moves and transforms from the depths of the ocean to the frozen mountaintops and into gases at the limits of the Earth's atmosphere. Where on the Earth is water? We have discovered evidence of water almost everywhere on the planet Earth, even in the driest of deserts. The Mars rover has even discovered ice on that far, far away planet. In this video, we will answer the question, how does water move through natural systems? To start, let's review 5 key facts about water. Water is currently understood to be the key ingredient for all life on Earth. Water covers roughly 70% of the Earth's surface. Water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Water can be a gas, a liquid, or solid, depending on 2 conditions, temperature and pressure. Water makes up over 60% of the human body, and going 72 hours without it results in death. We have all experienced rain, a form of precipitation in our lives. Where does precipitation come from? And after it lands, where does it go? Where should we begin? Well, in a complex system like the water cycle, there is no clear starting point or any ending point. So let's start with that raindrop and follow the story from that point. When rain lands, it runs across the surface of the ground, downhill with gravity. Water escapes the lakes and ocean via evaporation and condenses into clouds in the atmosphere, moving with the winds around the earth. There are other paths for the water to move through. Snow, which is another form of precipitation, lands, and this time something else happens. When the snow melts, the water seeps into the soil. The water moves slowly through the ground and into underground rivers called aquifers. Those aquifers can feed springs where the water will bubble up to the surface. In other places, the aquifer slowly releases water into streams, rivers, and directly into the ocean. Some water is absorbed by the roots of plants and pulled up out of the ground. And animals drink water and eat the plants to absorb water and nutrients. But the water does not get trapped there. It is released back into the air through respiration. Let's see how others are bringing this content into the classroom.
I rise to the sky from the sea below. Then down to the ground as rain and snow.
Yeah. I represent the movement of water, that's my purpose. Whether on, above, or below the earth's surface. In the continuous cycle, my work's never done, cause I'm driven by energy from the sun. I travel through the sea, through the air, through the ground. You could say that water really gets around, but in fact most water's just chilling in the oceans. Only a small fraction is really in motion at any given time, but yo, that's the way it goes. When we're studying the voyages of H2O, in the cycle water changes states at various places, of 3 states being ice, liquid, and water vapor. But this cycle strays from the norm, cause through the process water still keeps the same structural form. While other cycles involve chemical change, water may change states but its structure stays the same. I rise to the sky from the sea below, then down to the ground as rain and snow. I keep it moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle. Moving, moving, cause I'm the water cycle.
After watching this video, you should understand a few key facts about water and be able to discuss the water cycle as a system of interconnected phases. All the water that is on Earth is all we have to work with, making water an incredibly valuable resource.